Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on BingX. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official BingX website if you have not already by going to BingX.com, from where we can get started. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you're going to have the download option right here to go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, search for BingX, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it, open it up, now we can get started, and the process is going to go exactly the same on both the application and the web version. Doesn't matter which you're using. The first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and create one using the sign up option, and once you've gotten your account ready, we can get started logging in. Once you've logged in, now we can get started. As you can see here on BingX.com, you're going to go and be able to find NVIDIA tokenized stock DeFi chain that's going to enable you to get into it. So as you can see right here at the top of the screen, you can access the markets as well as the buy crypto option that's going to enable you to find all the crypto you can use using the search bar right here in the upper right corner. By why you're going to go ahead and also see the futures trading right here. So using the search bar, you can go ahead and search for NVIDIA, and it's going to give you this result right here, from where you can go ahead and find NVIDIA USDT and you can get started buying into it. So if you're interested, after logging in, you're going to have the buy option right here. As you can see, you need to log in to trade. You can take a look at the charts, the previous prices, current price, and so on, and now get started buying into it right here and adding it to your portfolio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.